As the Delhi Assembly elections approach, all eyes are now on BJP's strategy. Will the party succeed in bringing double-engine governance to the national capital? In a podcast with ANI, BJP National Vice President Baijayant Panda, who is also the party's election in charge for Delhi, discussed the upcoming elections and took aim at the Aam Aadmi Party for their alleged false promises and corruption. Panda criticized AAP's focus on drama, stating that the citizens of Delhi want a government that works without conflicts. He highlighted BJP's progress since the last election, especially following their record-breaking performance in the 2022 MCD elections, and vowed to increase the vote share even further. Panda pointed out the rise in BJP's vote share, which went from 38% in 2020 assembly elections to 40% in the MCD polls, signaling growing support. He stressed that the BJP's momentum was evident in their success across India, including unexpected victories in states like Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Haryana, and Maharashtra. He believed that the people of Delhi are now ready to give the BJP a chance after experiencing a decade of AAP's failures. On the issue of Muslim votes, Panda proudly pointed out to the Modi government's track record of inclusive policies. He asserted that the BJP's governance is based on delivering results for all citizens, regardless of religion, and rejected any notion of discrimination. Panda concluded by criticizing AAP for failing to deliver on promises like cleaning the Yamuna River, and said the people of Delhi are eager for a change, hoping to move past the party he described as a disaster. He reiterated that the BJP's approach is to seek the blessings of all sections of society, with governance at the forefront of their election campaign.